The following is a kinematic problem from AIEEE 2011. A particle covers half of its total distance with speed v1 and the rest half distance with speed v2. Its average speed during the complete journey is. Options to this question are given on the screen. At the first glance, the answer might seem to be option A, that is A, v1 plus v2 by 2. This is pretty obvious because as the question demands the average speed, and we have been taught in the schools that the average for anything is sum of the values by number of values. However, not in this case, our answer is wrong. Let me explain you why. This is the pictorial representation of the question, which says particle P travels from A to B with speed v1 and from B to C with speed v2. The distance between A to B is half of the total distance. Average speed equals to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. You know this formula? Total distance traveled equals to d. So total time taken is t1 plus t2, where t1 is time taken to cover first half distance, and from we know that time equals to speed by distance, and we get t1 equals to d by 2v1. Similarly, t2 equals to time taken to cover second half of distance, and t2 equals to d by 2v2. From the previous equations, we can get that total time taken equals to t1 plus t2, so it is d by 2v1 plus d by 2v2. On taking d by 2 as common, we get d by 2 into v1 plus v2 by v1 into v2. So average speed is d by 2 into v1 plus v2 by v1 into v2. So we get 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. The handwritten solution is presented on the screen so that you can have a better understanding of it after going through it. So take a screenshot of it or note it down. I would like you to note one thing, that average speed equals to total distance traveled by total time taken, whereas average velocity is total displacement by total time.